Hello guys, welcome. Today's video will be about big question for Unit T, number 1. The question asks, how do electric graphs relate to the unit circle? And this question has two parts, part A and B. Part A asks, period. Why is the period for sine and cosine 2 pi, whereas the period for tangent and cotangent is pi? Now, to answer this question, we should best refer to our unit circle. Here I have drawn a simple version of the unit circle, which is divided into 4 quadrants, ASTC. Now, the reason it has 4 quadrants is because it varies on the type of symbol it will be for sine, cosine, or tangent. As you see here, I've already written out what the symbols for each of these would be. For sine, it would be plus, plus, minus, minus. Cosine would be plus, minus, minus, plus. Tangent, plus, minus, plus, minus. Or also positive or negative, as you would like to call it. Now, in the first quadrant, sine, which is green, is positive. In the second quadrant, it's positive. In the third quadrant, it's negative. And in the fourth quadrant, it's negative. That's one pattern. Now, the reason it has 2 pi as the period is because that's how many times it has to go around the unit circle. How many revolutions it has to go around the unit circle to continue the pattern? Because our pattern is positive, positive, negative, negative. So it would have to go around once, which would be 2 pi. Now, our cosine is similar, as it's positive in the first quadrant, but it's negative in the second quadrant, negative in the third quadrant, and positive in the fourth quadrant. That new pattern right there is the reason why it goes around once, thus it being 2 pi as our period. Now, tangent and cotangent is different, as our pattern is positive, negative, positive, negative. As you saw, our pattern is halfway, so that's why it only has to go around the unit circle halfway through, so it can complete the pattern. Therefore, it only reaches to pi. That's why the period for cotangent and tangent is pi. So as you see, each time it goes around the unit circle, it would be pi to complete the pattern. As sine and cosine, it would be 2 times, so it would be 2 pi. That's where we get our period for cosine, sine, and tangent.